Welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist, and celebrity gossip happening around. For first-time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Bbnaija Diane Russet celebrates her 24th birthday as Elozonam twerks, strips, and gives Diane erotica lap dance. Ex-Bbnaija housemate Diane Russet is celebrating her 24th birthday today. Her fans joined her in the celebration as they made Diane her 24 to trend. Sharing photos to mark her birthday, the beautiful Bbnaija star wrote on her Instagram page, 24, wow, I've got a lot to be thankful for. God has been so good and merciful. This time last year, I prayed that my 23 should be amazing and be a breakthrough year for me, and God did it. God came true for me, and today I just want to say thank you to Almighty God and to you all. Thank you for supporting and praying for me always. Now 24, more of God, less of me, more wins, more money. Styled by one and only meddling boss. Thank you for making this possible. I truly appreciate you. So during the party, Elozonam twerks, strips, and gives Diane erotica lap dance on her 24th birthday. Elozonam is truly one hot, sizzling dude. The ex-Bbnaija 2019 Pepper Dem housemate decided to take matters a little more erotica as he goes berserk on Diane. Elozonam performed the role of a male stripper at Diane's 24th birthday party. These guys are certainly an item to keep an eye on. So guys, what do you think about Elozonam and Diane? I'm happy to see that they're still waxing strong and their relationship is still moving ahead. Share your comments with me in the comment section. And if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more updates.